we're going to take a look at this Sony CCD-TRV57 8mm Handycam by Sony. And before I get started, I do want to show y'all, it does have one pretty significant blemish. Let me turn it off. You can see it better when it's off. The screen is pretty messed up, and that is not something you can clean off. It's like that's a defect from time and wear or whatever. So it does still work, as you can see. I'll put it on camera mode here. It does still work, and you can tell that it's recording fine, but and it looks way better whenever the camera's actually on, but it definitely distorts the view a little bit that you get. So let's look at the eject mechanism first. You just hit that button, you let it do its thing, and then it pops open. And this is a tape we're going to use just for testing purposes. The unit is going to come, it is for sale on eBay. It is going to come with a brand new tape. It's sealed. It's also going to come with this camera bag. Oh, I believe there's a there's a remote. There's a remote that it's going to come with as well. Okay, and yeah, once you put the tape in, then you just press it closed, and then it'll automatically bring it down. You don't want to press it down and force it or anything. And that's all you got to do to load it. This switch position we're in now also operates that. And now we're in player mode. But let's go back. You know what? We're going to go back to camera mode real quick. And I'll just show y'all that it does function fine. Like so where's the zoom? Here we go. So if we get back here, try and get kind of close up and get in focus. It has no problem with autofocus or anything like that. Get in really tight, and color and focus is good. Let me go ahead and record this, and then we'll show playback too. But yeah, no problem at all with the actual function of the camera. There's two defects: the screen, and then also this battery is an original Sony battery. It does not charge. So I'm running just off of the power supply, which it also will come with, this power supply right here. So yeah, but yeah, the camera works great. Replacement batteries are pretty cheap. You can buy them on eBay or whatever. And yeah, it has a really tight zoom, and the autofocus works well too. Sound works good. There's no issues at all. So now that we've done that, we'll go to over here to player mode, and that will close the lens cover. And here's the controls up here, and we'll just rewind. And then we'll hit play. We'll show playback too. But yeah, no problem at all with the actual function of the camera. There's have it up super loud. Screen, and then also this battery is an original Sony battery. It does not charge. So I'm running just off of the power supply, which it also will come with this power supply right here. So the camera works great. Replacement batteries are pretty cheap. You can buy them on eBay or whatever. So yeah, it works fine. Blemish on the screen and bad battery, but otherwise the cosmetic condition is really pretty good, I would say. Doesn't really have too many scuffs or scratches or anything. This part, sometimes those wear out. This one's in good condition, you know, the little hand grip thing. And yeah, nice little camcorder. And like I said, it comes with charger, it comes with tape, it comes with remote, and it will also come with this camera bag that fits everything. So thanks so much for watching, y'all.